Oh my God. Wala na talaga. Akala ko to na to. Pinausa ako sa sriracha.
Peach yan.
Mango.
Peach. Peach mango.
Oh.
So this is during lunchtime, and my friends and I went to Jollibee, and we ate our lunch in there. I ordered, I think, only a 6-piece nuggets and then fries. I also ordered Jolly hot dog and mango peach pie.
Oh, nag-order ko ulit? Nag-order ko ulit?
Nabago na yun.
Ito, sa'yo pa rin to?
Going order.
McDonald's nuggets and Jollibee nuggets are a little bit different. The Jollibee nuggets they're a little bit kind of, how do I say this? Like, they're kind of soft, on the soft side, and the McDonald's nuggets they're kind of strong. They have strong flavor compared to the Jollibee nuggets. The Jollibee nuggets, it has only a subtle flavor compared to the McDonald's nuggets. One of my friends, she asked me and my other friend if we would like to have a lunch at Jollibee, and this is after our class and it's lunchtime, so we were like, why not? Because my class starts at 3 and it's only like 1, so I still have I have like 2 hours left before my class starts, so I just decided to go with them because so that we could spend time together. Jolly hot dogs are always, I think it's just for me, Jolly hot dogs are the go-to food for distressor. I feel like Jolly hot dogs they're kind of like a go-to food if you're stress eating. That's just for me. I mean, because that's what I order every time. I feel like when I'm stressed, not when I'm stressed, but like when I'm in Jollibee, I feel like every time Jolly hot dog, I'm like, oh, I want to order Jolly hot dog. But then if you eat it like often, you kind of just get like tired of eating it because you already know what it would taste like, and you kind of just like memorize the whole entire flavor of the hot dog. So yeah, these days I actually try to avoid it as much as possible because they're unhealthy. So yeah, but I guess from time to time, if I feel like I can't really resist the urge to eat Jolly hot dog, then I will eat Jolly hot dog, because just like a good junk food to eat, just like any junk food. In this video, I was actually kind of halfway asleep because our class started at 7 a.m. It ended at noon, and my next class was like at 3:30 or at 3 p.m. So I was actually planning to sleep after my class because I still have like a few hours left. But then one of my friends, she was like, oh, let's eat at Jollibee. So it was kind of just like unplanned plan that we had. So all of a sudden we're at Jollibee eating Jollibee food, and of course it was like lunchtime, so it was a little bit busy. And I remember there's this one lady, she was like in her 50s, and she doesn't know how to use the kiosk, and she just like started yelling at the crew, telling her why the students are in front of her when she's supposed to be like the priority. And I'm like, what the heck? but we were just like, my friends and I were just like keeping quiet. We weren't doing anything. We were just like standing on the side waiting for our order, and she still had to order. And I don't know if it was like her first day at Jollibee store or I don't know. But anyway, we finally got our food after like 15-minute wait, and the thing is that they're not even fresh. The nuggets are stale, my fries are stale. The hot dog is okay, and the mango peach pie was okay because it was still crunchy, but it was cold. So the thing is that too, in fast food here in the Philippines, they always serve it stale. Like the nuggets and the fries, they always serve it stale unless you go in there like on time and they just made a fresh batch of fries and nuggets, then you're in luck. But if not, then take whatever they give to you. After eating my Jolly hot dog, I actually still have some nuggets left, and I still have like the half of the peach mango pie left. And yeah, after eating the Jolly hot dog, I was actually really full, and I was actually kind of forcing myself to eat the nuggets, but at the end I finished. But fortunately I finished all my food, and just like downside of it was just that I developed like a mini stomachache. But when I was in class, I was actually, thank goodness, it subsided. So yeah.
Espanya? Doon. Ikaw?
Layo.
4 hours?
Okay.
Ay, tatlong sakay? Pagod na ba?
LRT. Tapos mag-jeep. LRT tapos mag-MRT.
Saan ka nag-MRT? Saan na Santos ba? Napunta na ako dun? MRT lang. Sa ano? MRT lang sa kayo ko, tapos baba ko sa Guadalupe. Pasok ka ba sa sa mall?
Nakatima po ako eh. Nakatima po.
Doon ako sumasakay sa mall. Ay, doon ako naglalakad.
Yan, dumating.
Nakapunta ka na ng ano nga yung tawag ng mall na yun?
Alin?
Yung mall na yun? Ako rin. Sabi mall?
Wala?
Mall dyan sa may
Sa kubo ko pa sinasakay?
Doon ako maglalakad. Sa loob ng mall, merong mall yun eh.
Hindi.
Ayan, yan.
Ayun ka pa din.
Ha?
Sa kubo ko pa din. Hindi ka dapat dito?
Layo na nga. Layo nga.
Bumili mo yung pinakamalaki. Yung sa Dorotea, tapos nalayo siya, tapos lalakad.
Sino? Ikaw?
Yun yung ginagawa namin.
Doon ang FE ako. Oo, sa Dorotea.
Nagtatawid siya yung
Parang mas malapit na eh.
kung mag-MRT ka MRT ka Doroteo kung nasa Magkubaw.
Malayo? LRT ang nasa Doroteo, LRT.
Hindi, yung may nilipad ng MRT. Meron.
Baba ka na eh. Sabi mo sakay mo LRT, baba mo. LRT yun?
Eh, yun nga yung mag-EDSA ka. Tapos sa EDSA ka.
Ang layo ko, apat na sakay pa ako.
Malayo rin yun.
Ba't kasi di kayo nag-hanap ng ano?
Mahal dun sa may EDSA.
Sa Armita?
Pag-convo. dorm na ano, saan yan? Ayun.
Hindi yung ano, yung USC, banda ba si Revita?
Eh di sana yung pamasahin mo na lang everyday, dinagdag mo na lang pambayad.
Ay, nabilis na naman yun. Basta di ka rin.
Oo.
Tsaka mas maganda ako sa pag-condo kasi sa dorm. Kasi pag-dorm, mas ano, mas strict. Like pag may mga babysita sa'yo. Pag-condo.
Kaya ba nakakapunta doon?
Oo. Pero secret. Secret, yun. Secret. Mostly na dorm.
Nagdala po kasi doon nga siya natutulog.
I mean, mas strict yung rules. Mas pang, ano, family. At saka yung difference, pag sa dorm, hindi nakakaano. Hindi kayo nakaluto kayo?
Oo.
Ayan. Pag yung mga malaking dorm yung iba walang lutuan.
Oo. Totoo. Merong rooms na gano'n. Ikaw naman pipili?
Noong una, nung nag-viewing kasi kami, dorm talaga, yung sa USD, yung malapit. Pero SLBC rin kasi kami nung Makati. Ayun, nag-continue na ulit.
Ha?
Condo na lang ulit kinuha na sa may condo na. Mura rin kasi na yung napipili na.
Maraming ano, maraming mura as long as
Pinakaya. Labas ko yung bigla.
Ano?
Nilagay ko pa yun.
16K per day.
Busog na.
ngayon kong ano,
Nagasgas pa ako sa may pito ng CR.
5.